God damn, this is fucking horrendous. I'm cooking in here. Let's get outside. Welcome, all you Tesla sheeps. Today I have a pretty interesting video for you. I'm gonna call this segment "Let's Cheap Out" or something like that. I'll name it. But what I'm talking about is this. You see the difference? Yeah, so I'm wrapping my handles in white, but I'm not wrapping my chrome yet. I might do that in the future. I might just leave it like this. It depends. These segments are going to be focusing on, improving your Tesla, the look of your Tesla, by basically not spending a lot of money. I haven't spent a lot of money. Like, I don't spend a lot of money, doing upgrades to my Tesla. Well, except for that one. But I don't spend a lot of money, buying third-party accessories or something, and installing in my car. But what I want to talk to you all about is, you've seen people wrapping their door handles, right? In different colors, or they usually go for like matte black and go like all matte on it, or sometimes people go like white, like I did right here. But it's usually, you can find the wrap like, pre-cut handle door handles for Model 3 and Model Y for, I don't know, somewhere around 20 to 30 bucks for the pre-cut vinyls. But that is expensive. Why do you need to pay 30 bucks for a piece of vinyl that's pre-cut? Well, you don't have to, because I'm going to show you how to do it really, really cheap. Well, I cut some pieces right here. So all I did, let me show you how it's done. So I have these templates. I'll post a link down below. You can go get this template. It's kind of big, but it is what it is. So this template, you can just, all you got to do is, all you need is the template, some scissors, and this vinyl tape. So let's get into it and see how it's done. Right, so first things first, go print this out in A4 paper format, and all you're gonna do is just cut across, so you get an actual like two-piece, one side and the other side. And then you're gonna, so this vinyl tape, I don't know if you can find it on Amazon. If I find it, I'll leave a link down below. But I got this for my Model 3 wheels. When I wrapped the wheels, in the Porsche Taycan look-alike thingy. But you can find it on Amazon. Just search out white vinyl tape. You'll find it. Get like a good 3-inch wide deep. There's a train station, it's announcing for some reason. But anyways, I'm in an empty parking lot. Well, not really empty, but empty enough. So get this tape, and all you got to do is simply, after you cut it, just fold it back, like not this side, the other side, just tape it, right? Without any bubbles. Try not to get any bubbles. This is really important that you don't get any bubbles. And then take another piece of tape over the tape that you just put on, and then do the exact same thing for this side. One tape and then the other tape on top of it. By doing that, what you get is one tape that goes right on top of the paper. You cannot remove that. And then the other tape that goes on the top of the tape, which you can remove because it's not touching the paper. So, and then you gotta get crafty. If you're not good with scissors, use, I guess, X-Acto knife. If you're not good with X-Acto knife, ask somebody. But you need some little bit of skills. All you gotta do is just cut this outline. Just try to be extra, how do I say it? just try to follow this line, right, and get it as crispy as possible. And once you do that, you will get this piece just like this. Now, installing this is the easiest thing you can do. All you need is some alcohol. So I have I think this is 70% alcohol, and a microfiber cloth, and this is all you need to install. So let's get right into it and start installing and see how hard it is or how easy it is to install. So first and foremost, just try to remove this tape, remove the sticky part out. So it's just like a sticker. It's gonna take some, nailing to, get it out. So it's gonna be hard on camera, but I'll try my best. All right, finally, I got it to separate. So all you're gonna do is just remove this. Get rid of the other end with the paper on, and then get this fresh end. Try not to touch the adhesive. So first things first, put some alcohol in the handle and wipe it with the microfiber cloth, which I already did right there. It's clean. And now for the install. So you're just gonna take the tape and install it like so. Now once you get to this point, you just tape it. So try to find the middle and just middle it, so you have some excess on top, some on the bottom, and some on this side. So that's all you need. And then what you're gonna do is take your knife or squeegee. Don't have a squeegee with me right now, so I'm just gonna use this thing, and I'm just gonna go around the edges and just smooth it out. Once you get to this point, all you're gonna do is just smooth out the edges. So make sure that the rounded corners, like really with your nails, just make sure it's perfect. Open this part out, and you're just gonna cut a little sliver. So I got my handy dandy Swiss Army knife. Don't damage your paint. Just cut a little sliver like so, and that's about it. And then you're just gonna fold them over. So the bottom one first, just wrap the second one on top of it, and simple as that. So just with your nails, make sure that you don't get any wrinkles. If you do, just push them out just like so, and you're settled. Just like that, you got your handle installed. Obviously it's not perfect inside, it doesn't look that good on this side, but over here it looks pretty dang good. If you have a hairdryer nearby, just put it on low heat and heat up the edges. That way you can make it a little more malleable and then use it. But this is like what I have for now, and let me show you how it looks. So this looks pretty good from like a good meter away. It looks pretty nice. I do see a bubble over there, little bubble over here, but I'm not concerned. By the time you put your thumb like 100 times, it'll go away. This is just a temporary thing. If it gets dirty and I want, or if it comes off here and there, I can always just get another template and remove this one and put another one, or just remove it overall. You don't need to worry about spending money on this, because this cost me virtually $0, because I didn't spend any on my paper. I mean, I didn't spend anything except for the tape, which this much tape is not going to cost you that much. I probably got the tape for like, I don't know, $5-10 for the whole roll of tape, the vinyl tape. So yeah, let me finish with all the handles, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so it took me like 20 minutes to install, not that long. I used my nails, I used my Swiss Army knife. That's all it is to it. It's fairly simple, fairly easy. Anybody could do it. Just print out the paper and get some vinyl tape. I mean, this is a lot of tape. It's a 3M tape. It's probably gonna last me for I don't know how long. It's a lot of tape. I'll probably use it for something else. Who knows? Just that tape. And I went ahead and did even the front handle. I trialed it at home. I just removed that and then installed a brand new one. So I have 3 more pieces. So print out 2 sheets of paper and cut out like 8 of them, just in case if you make a mistake, you can just peel it right off and then put a new one in. If you get some grain or some sand in it, you can just remove it and put a new one. So as you can see, she's looking beautiful, all white. Those fossils, man, they're so loud. Can't wait for all the trucks to be electric. But anyways, it's looking beautiful. It feels nice. The only problem that I would face is that like my brother or some kids, if they went to open it, they don't really know that it's a vinyl. They're just gonna open it like normal, and they might take this part off. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it's a good looking, a good and cheap way to pimp out your car. For example, I did my wheels like that. Vinyl tape. If you don't know the video, just go to my channel and check that out. And this tape, I also did it on the other side. We also show you that, and it kind of blends in and make the car looks more beautiful, I guess. More fossils everywhere. All right, yeah, the car looks beautiful. The handles, it blends in with the paint. It's a different shade of white. It's a matte white, but it looks pretty dang good. So yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. So this is another of my cheap, I gotta name it. I gotta come up with a name. Cheap throw, cheap pick. Comment below if you if you know any good names for this ongoing thing of pimping out my car for cheap. So first I did the wheels, obviously. I did the handles, and I also wrapped the same tape over here. And yeah, and that's all it is to it. It's pretty simple. I didn't do this DIY. I actually bought it from I don't know where, but I installed it, but I bought it from somewhere. You need to be pre-cut that. But that Tesla over there, that's looking like the Roadster when they send it to Mars, I also did that. So yeah, she's looking beautiful. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below of what you guys think of this. I like it. It's looking pretty good. It adds a little more pizzazz to the car, I guess. It just looks sleek. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, become a subscriber, become a Tesla sheep, and use my referral code if you're getting a Model 3 or Model Y. Yeah, that's about it for today's video. This is me, Mithursan, signing out.